Hi everybody, this is Mr. Mark, and today I want to give you a class on grade transfer. I use this to transfer my grades from Google Classroom over to PowerSchool somewhat seamlessly, and I'm going to show you how that works today. So let's get started. The cost is only about $2.49 a month, which is about $30, and it really makes transferring grades from Google Classroom over to PowerSchool really easily. There are some little hiccups that you might experience. For example, if the names are not matched correctly between PowerSchool and Google Classroom, then it might skip the name. You just go back later and add that name in, or add that grade into that name. Usually this affects only about 5 or 6 names in there, and it's pretty quick to get it done. And if you're teaching 50 or 60 students, this is really helpful in getting your grades from Google Classroom into PowerSchool. Let me show you how it works. On the right over here, I have my account for Google Classroom, and all my grades are all done and turned in. And on the left, I have PowerSchool. So what I do is I find the icon, because I added it to Chrome. I come up here and I click on the grade transfer icon, and I grab the data, and then it copies it, and then I go over, I make sure I click on the very first place that I want it to go, and then I click here and I click fill data. Boom, 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 there it goes. One student at a time. And it's done. Grades are entered into PowerSchool. That was really easy. Then I just find the ones that didn't go in for whatever reason. I look at the names and I can see that they're different somewhat. But I just go ahead and fill it in. And go to the next one. It only takes a second. Fill in that grade. And the last one. That's it. It's pretty accurate too. And then click Save on your scores. Grading is done for 41 students. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions, my email is right there. My email's right there. Give me a send me a message or find me somewhere and ask me, and I'll see if I can help you out with it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.